Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to tell you about a free recruitment agency that can help you get a job in Luxembourg. What's good about this agency is that they are completely free to register and apply to, as they are paid by employers in Luxembourg. You'll just need your CV and cover letter and you're good to go. Also, jobs for all skill levels, whether unskilled, semi-skilled and even highly skilled job roles are available, and anyone can apply from anywhere in the world. Applications are open to all countries. Luxembourg, being the richest country in the world, can pay high salary figures of between 3,000 euros to 5,000 euros per month, and specialized roles even pay as high as 9,000 euros per month. You can even take your spouse along and even they will get a work permit. So collectively you can both potentially earn between 6,000 to 8,000 euros per month, which is a huge amount for new immigrants to begin in any foreign country. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything about the free recruitment agency for Luxembourg jobs that you can apply to online, the employers offering jobs, the various job positions they're hiring for, and a step-by-step demonstration based on specific instructions given by the recruiter themselves on how you can register and apply for these jobs as well. So do watch the video till the end. Hey guys, this is Jason from Dream Canada. If you're new to the channel, I show people how to save their money and immigrate to new countries through my videos without the help of any immigration consultants or agents or lawyers. You can find all the process instructions for you to apply on your own through this channel. Subscribe now, because all the information provided here is completely free, and I answer all your queries in the comment section and on my social handles on Instagram and Twitter, so don't forget to follow us there as well. You can even get in touch with us directly via WhatsApp on the number shared on the screen. The recruitment agency I'm talking about is LHS Luxembourg, and they work along with Adecco, which is another renowned recruitment agency. I'll add a link to their page in the description box. If you check their homepage, you'll directly be able to search for jobs by entering the job title and location here. Or if you scroll below, you have the option of simply uploading your CV, and recruiters from LHH will directly contact you if you're the right fit for a vacant position. If you want to search for a specific job role, you'll have to just click this link here, and you'll see all the jobs available, including IT, banking, HR roles, and many more. There are a lot of banking and finance companies in Luxembourg, and you'll find a lot of these vacant positions in these fields because of this. If you look at this asset manager role, for example, you'll see that it's a direct hire position for LHH, which simply means you're directly being hired by the company and there's no job agent or middleman involved. This structure is different from temporary or contract positions, in which a staffing agency supplies and employs you. You'll get information on the company, which is LHH here, and if you scroll below, you'll find your job responsibilities and job requirements. If you further scroll below, you'll get contact details in case you want to know more about the job, and you'll see the job ID here as well. Remember this job ID, as it's very important. Now do note that I have personally been told application instructions by representatives of the hiring company LHH, and they have given very specific instructions on how you should apply for each position. What you have to do is simply click on the apply button for any job like this, which will now open a new window with a specific job number. Do remember this job number, as it will be your reference point for all communication with the company. Set the language to English towards the right. Next, you'll have to upload your CV either through your device or Drive or Dropbox, wherever you have it saved. Before uploading this, make sure that it's in the correct format and includes all the necessary keywords that are listed in the job listing page. If you don't know the format or keywords to use, you can reach out to us and we'll make these documents for you at a nominal cost. Also, do remember to keep your CV file size below 3 MB. Let's say you're uploading your CV from your device. Click on your device here, select the CV you wish to upload and click on Open. Your CV will now upload, and you'll get a confirmation that it's been uploaded, along with the job number again, which you have to remember. After this, it's pretty straightforward, where you have to just fill in a few personal details, and when you scroll below, you'll see a section to add attachments. That's where you have to upload your cover letter and nothing else. So in total, you have to just submit 2 documents, which are your CV and cover letter. That's it. Next, just tick the consent points here and click on confirm and apply. You can choose to opt out of the marketing communication point here, but I would not recommend this, as there's a lot of vacancies that are sent across through these modes. After you apply, you'll receive a confirmation email for it and further information about your virtual interviews, which will be communicated directly by the employer as well. Alright guys, so that was all about Luxembourg's free job agency LHH. For more immigration and travel tips, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified for new updates. Thanks for watching, and all the best for your application.